'68 Camaro. This car was purchased as part of a husband and wife package. That's the small block car. Doing the video now on the big block. If you're interested in the small block car, there is a full walk around video on it as well, on the website as well as on the YouTube channel. You may have to click to subscribe to see it. This car is a big block with air conditioning, power brakes, power steering. This car has a restoration that was done prior to the customer that we got this car from doing, as well as the other car. They were matching. He took them straight to the suspension shop, had them put up in the air, and everything pulled out. This particular car is coil-overed front and rear. Received a full rebuild and narrowing to the rear axle. Pictures are on the website showing that process. New fuel tank. It is running the extra meaty set of tires on the back. 335/30/19 Budnik wheels, Wilwood rotors and calipers front and back. 6 piston in the front. Since the completion, neither one of these cars have had 100 miles put on them. Matter of fact, you can still see the sticker on the back tires. This car is a little bit more retro versus original. So if you're looking for original, the small block 4-speed car might be more for you. This car has a digital dash system, aftermarket stereo, power windows, newer style Corvette seats. Actually, I'll try to start it up. I didn't start the small block one in the video. Like anything carbureted, it's cold. As you can tell, it sounds really good. No smoke, no noises, no ticks. Motor was in the car when it was purchased, so we don't know a whole lot of the history or build on it, but it's healthy, but it will idle at a stoplight just fine. The stance of this car is pretty solid. A lot of meat under the back. Long tube headers. Body lines are pretty good and straight. This car drives like a dream with the coilovers front and rear. Aluminum radiator. Serpentine belt system. Looks like probably March pulleys. Optima battery. Edelbrock carburetor. Body lines are good on this car as well. I wouldn't consider this car a $150,000 to $200,000 Barrett Jackson or Mecum item, but this type of car is what sells at Barrett Jackson and Mecum. You may not see them on the television show, but this is the quality of car that would get accepted there. And honestly, both of these cars would probably bring pretty strong money with the way the market is right now. Horseshoe shifter. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this would be like 90s to 2000 era Corvette seats. Digital dash. Power windows, which were just installed. That's a whole brand new system. Paint is clean. Undercarriage is clean. Hopefully this video will help. And there's a good video of the 67 as well. She's a lot more tame. If you're looking for a driver, either one of these will be completely fine. This is a little bit more of a pro street approach versus the pro touring, but still handles and drives great, and come down the interstate, hit the curves, and everything does good. Either one of these cars would be a prize of a collection for sure. Don't hesitate to reach out for more information or more details on any of our inventory. We're happy to answer or shoot you a video. Not very often we get cars such as this, but happy to when they do come along. 68 Camaro, 67 Camaro. If somebody wants to buy these as a package deal, there would be a opportunity for that. A little bit of a discounted pricing on the pair. If you have any interest in anything else that we offer, just check the website. Be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.